The Tech Fixr will show you how to fix Reels option not showing in Instagram. So if you're in your Instagram and you see the Reels option not showing, don't worry. You can fix this issue in just few steps. And the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. So the first solution is update your Instagram application. Go to your App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram. If you see any update available, then update your Instagram app and then check the issue. And the second solution is uninstall your Instagram application and reinstall it from App Store or Play Store and then check the issue. And the third solution is report a problem. Go to your Instagram profile page, tap on this hamburger menu at the top right, settings and privacy, scroll down, tap on help, tap on report a problem. And here carefully describe that the Reels option not showing in your Instagram, and you can upload your Instagram feed photo from here and make sure to mark that the Reels option not showing in your Instagram. Then submit this report and wait up to 24 hours and hope Instagram will fix your Reels option not showing issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.